What up, everybody? Y'all see it. Everybody been asking, man, when it's gonna start. The link live right now. Go get them tickets. Oh yeah, we giving it away. Shout out to the boy Sean Pride for blessing us. Sneaker CEO Promotions, first giveaway. Car shows, events, giveaways, car giveaways, rim giveaways. We about to turn it up a notch. This the first of several to come. Everybody was asking, man, why don't you get a red eye? Well, we got to get a beauty away first and then the beast. It's right there. Look at that thing. Fully loaded. Sunroof. Look at this interior. Like new. Look at that. Look at that. Harman Kardon. Top of the line. Everything fully loaded. Everything you could get from the factory. Plus more. Look at that. The beat in the trunk all ready for you. She done right. And one of y'all gonna get to take this home. There's a lot of you that would never in your lifetime be able to either afford or get something like this. It could be yours for as little as $25. $25. You can't beat that, y'all. $25. Don't tell me you ain't gonna take a chance on this. Look at this thing. Look as I move, how the colors change. Boy, look how it turned green. You see it. All right, y'all hit the link below. Go to my IG, Mr_Sneaker_CEO. The link there too. Let's run it up and let's get this thing away. Peace.